In this video, I'm going to show you how to download BandLab on PC. So the first thing I must tell you is that in case you were looking to download the actual software, this is not possible anymore. So they don't have the desktop assistant anymore, though they used to some time ago. But now, of course, if you want to download whatever tracks you've created, here's what you can do. So you want to, of course, first go to your track. So let me just go to my library over here, to something I have just created over here, to a new project. And then over here, let me just click. There we go. As you can see, you can download it via this button over here. So very easily, or you can go, and if you are inside a project which you are still editing, you can just go up here. There we go, to this three little lines, and you will see a button which says download. Now, of course, this is only going to be available once you have some content. So let me just record a bit over here. Now, as you can see, I'm just recording something. There we go. I'm going to stop. And if you now go up here, you can see whenever you save this. So let me just save it really quickly. Then after this is going to stop loading, there we go, project is saved. You can now click up here, and then it's going to allow you to download whenever you have basically done this. So as you can see, project, and then you can see the download button, and you can either download tracks or mix down as, okay? So this is essentially the only thing you can download. You can't download the software anymore. So as I said, you want to go to project and then download, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.